Just a quick note regarding navigating inside of After Effects before we begin. During the course, I'll often be zooming in and out of the composition window to better visualize the small details of the shot, and then back out to see the picture as a whole. If you're using a mouse with a scroll wheel to follow along, use it to zoom in and out of the window. So here, zoom in and zoom out. If you're using the keyboard, make sure you have the composition window clicked, and then you can use the period key to zoom in and the comma key to zoom out. We can always frame up our contents to the size of the composition window by hitting Shift and /. Or we can alternately come here and say Fit. As we zoom in, we can pan around our window here by holding down the spacebar. You'll see that it temporarily turns into a hand. Now we can left click and pan around. Lastly, there are technical terms and ideas in visual effects that more seasoned compositors will need to be aware of. However, as we're just beginning our journey, I don't want those to be a hindrance to learning about the core methods. Things like color space and bit depth are all things to consider when working in visual effects. However, let's first learn how to walk before we run. Since they aren't prerequisites for learning the essential techniques, we'll pass on covering them here. This course covers core After Effects concepts that have remained intact throughout much of the application's history. However, because Adobe Creative Cloud apps are frequently being updated, you may encounter slight UI variations between what you see recorded on screen and the version of After Effects CC that you are running on your computer. Rest assured, you'll still be able to follow along despite this.